why do I ride? Why do I ride motorcycles? Why do people ride motorcycles? What is going on, my friends? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the Motovlog, and welcome back to another beautiful day here in Atlanta, Georgia. It's been a while since I have ridden, and I want to take a quick minute to kind of go for a little ride just around my neighborhood, because there's been something on my mind that I've been wanting to talk to you guys about, which is pretty much just, why do I ride? Why do I ride motorcycles? Why do people ride motorcycles? And what I want to say is it's not just a mode of transportation. For me, it's about the pure fun that comes to it. And especially as people get older, you need to remember to actually have fun. So why not just inject some of that fun into your daily routine, into your daily errands, into the commute to and from work, and all that other sort of stuff that will allow you to get some kind of joy out of that. Riding really allows you to connect with that sense of adventure that we all have as children, that feeling of freedom that tends to kind of fade away as you get older. I know that, at least for me, when I was in school, it's easy to make friends in sports, in classes, and all that other sort of stuff. But as you get older, I mean, you're a little bit more limited in your ability to kind of find those friends, especially for people who kind of move to new cities. Should we go left or right here? We'll go right, and that sort of thing. So it kind of allows you to not just to find friends, but to kind of find a community, and kind of really reconnect with your sense of adventure that is kind of lost as you grow older. And that allure of freedom is a really big part of it, both physically and mentally, not just like obviously the wind in your hair and that sort of thing, or around your body. Hopefully all y'all are wearing helmets, but kind of really reconnect with that sense of adventure. And it's kind of counterintuitive, but really as you start riding, it's almost as if your speed picks up, obviously, but your time slows down, or your life slows down, and you're allowed to really be fully present, focused solely on the road ahead of you, and you're really concentrating on shifting with your feet, leaning your body, throttling, clutching, all that other sort of stuff. And it's kind of a visceral experience that allows you, ooh, that's pretty down there. The lake's real nice. But it allows you to kind of reconnect with that side of things. And then obviously I already kind of touched on community, but that's a great point there, that I feel like people just kind of underestimate. And then it's really, I feel like people think the barrier to entry on motorcycle riding is fairly high, but it's really not. You can really make it what you want to be. I made a video about that already. You guys can kind of go back and look at my last video if you kind of want to hear about how to kind of get into motorcycle riding and that sort of thing. And then a couple of a little other things that I was really thinking about, which is the environment. But hold on a second. We'll go left here. But yeah, left, definitely left. The environment in a world where individual transportation, especially here in the United States, is so necessary, and really especially in Atlanta, motorcycles offer one of the most efficient ways that can really get you from point A to point B, but also do it in a fun way. I know I'm harping on that, but it's so true. And then last thing that I really want to touch on is that we all know that there are risks involved, but you can't let your fear of those things hold you back. You just have to kind of approach yeah, anyways, like I was saying, you just kind of have to approach them with caution and a lot of respect. It's about mitigating your risk and riding cautiously while also having fun. So you want to embrace that journey that you're going on, and have fun with it, but also do it in the safest way possible. So wear your gear, guys. Make sure that you're riding safely. Don't ride outside your means. Ride bikes that you're actually comfortable with, and then don't, I don't know how to say it. I guess just don't ride outside of your experience level, and that's just really the biggest thing. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much all I had to say today. If you enjoyed what I was talking about, or if this hit home with you, if you enjoyed this video at all, help me out. Give me a little like, subscribe down below, and I will catch you on the next one, guys. Cheers!